Okay, as a standard supply then, with the GRL 600 CHV is the receiver, the LR60, and this can be used to detect the position of the beam up to 300 meters in any direction from the rotary laser itself. It's got a big 125 millimeter detection zone at the front here. On-off button, of course, self-explanatory. You've got possibility of increasing or decreasing or switching off the beeping sound depending on where you're working. If you're out on site, of course, you need it a bit louder than if you're working indoors. And that's just pressing this speaker button here or mute. It's possible to enter menus here to change the indication on the screen from millimeter to inches. You can adjust the sensitivity of the receiver so that you can go from 0.5 millimeter right up to 5 millimeters, where accuracy may not be quite so important for some applications. It makes it then easier to position the receiver and find the beam reliably. Got a spirit level at the top here, that's quite useful if you're hand holding the product or you're on a pole, to make sure that you have the beam coming directly through the middle here rather than at an angle, which would give you false readings. On the flip side here, you've got a hanging hook, so you could literally put that on a screw or a nail if the job requires that. You've got magnets here, so if it's a metal structure you're putting the receiver on, these strong neodymium magnets will hold the receiver in place. And you can see on the back, of course, is the usual double-up display, mimic display of what's happening on the front, because quite often you're viewing this from behind so you don't cast a shadow and stop the laser from finding the receiver. Battery compartment here, and that's about it really for the LR60.